In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a discount with Temu. This is a discount you can use every single time you order off of Temu's website, potentially saving 20, 30, 40 or even £50 or dollars every single time you order. The following method I can confirm works from the UK, the US as well as Australia. You won't need to enter any discount codes or anything like that, but what you will need to do is sign up to a website called Topcashback, and you can find the link below in the description. Topcashback, to quickly explain, is a cashback website that provides cashback discounts on all sorts of online shopping. Plenty of general things you can buy online are listed here, such as flights, hotels, and of course fashion. As the title of this video will suggest, Temu is one of the main websites that do provide a cashback discount, so this video is just going to show you step by step on how to claim it. But once you've clicked the link below, you should come across this landing page here. So from here, you just want to go ahead and sign up. It is also worth mentioning as well, for using my link in the description, you'll also be eligible for a free £10 sign up bonus as well. So click the link below, and once you've signed up, we can then go through step by step on how to claim your Temu discount. But once you've signed up, you should come across this home dashboard here. So because we want Temu, we'll just go ahead and search for it at the top of the search bar here. Then from there, you just want to go ahead and click on the listing, and then this should open up the Temu page where you can go ahead and see all the current offers. And as you can see, right now the offer is up to 38% cashback on your order. So the way this works is Temu through Topcashback will basically pay you back a percentage of your order right back to you after purchasing through their link. So Topcashback is basically affiliated with Temu, and by purchasing all your Temu products through Topcashback, you'll basically be rewarded a percentage of your money back to you afterwards. Essentially, it's being paid free money off of Topcashback for simply buying through their link. So the offer right now is 38% for new customers and 5% for existing. But these can change from time to time. So what you see by the time you're watching this compared to what I'm showing you on screen might differ slightly, but Temu usually is one of the better ones for cashback, and you can usually get a high percentage of your order right back to you after purchasing. So moving on to the fun part, claiming your cashback is very simple. If you're ready to make the purchase, you will just want to go ahead and select on the red button that says get up to 38% cashback. This should then pull you through to the Temu website where you can then go ahead, find all the items you're looking to purchase, and then just go ahead and check out like normal. Just a disclaimer as well, you need to make sure that the purchase is made through the same tab that Topcashback opens up, as that's how they link the sale to your account, which in turn is how you get your cashback. But once you're ready to check out, again, there's no need to enter any discount or coupon codes. As long as you make the purchase through the same tab that Topcashback opens up, it will track the sale. Then once you've made the purchase, you should then get an email from Topcashback, usually within 10 to 20 minutes, to say that your order has been tracked and is eligible for cashback. But do be patient, as Temu is known to take a while, so it might not always be straight away. But if you head back to Topcashback after purchasing, it should say that the visit was recorded, so as long as you get that message, then you should be all good and it will track. But anyway, once you've received the email, you can then sign back into Topcashback, go up to account here, select on earnings, and then it should tell you how much you're due to be paid back in cashback from your recent purchase. But overall, that's pretty much it. It can take a few weeks for it to be paid out, but if you keep an eye on your Topcashback account, you should be notified on when you are able to receive the payout on it. Otherwise, if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll try to assist you. And thanks again for watching.